It was awesome.
Judging from the point, it was kind of funny. We were synchronized and pretty calm. I got a ticket Wednesday night. Your dad let me off easy. And tonight we didn't die. I swear we must have got lucky. I swear we must have gotten pretty damn lucky. Tonight's in a row, tonight's in a row, skating down by the river.
Big sound for a little guy, doesn't he? You gotta push it out, I know.
A chocolate heart. Open 24/7. See you after it gets dark. We must be lucky.